Finance example 12. You want to have $3 million when you retire in 25 years. That is not what you're depositing. That is what you want. And it looks like our time is going to be 25. Your retirement account earns 7.5% interest. How much do you need to deposit each month? Each month. So this is the point when you're thinking, do I want the compound interest formula or the annuity formula? Because you're depositing each month, that means you need the annuity formula. So they're asking for that deposit. That means I don't know what it is. To meet your retirement goal, and again we need to mention they said per month, so our N is going to be 12. Okay, so to utilize our formula, this is how much I want to end up with. I don't want to know what my deposit is, and I've got the 1 plus 0.075 divided by 12 raised to the n times t, and then minus 1, all divided by 0.075 divided by 12. Okay, so this is probably not going to be that much fun to put in your calculator. There's a lot of ways that we can do this. Some of you might want to take this amount right here and put it in your calculator, and you can store it in like an X. Okay, so if you have that kind of calculator, you can do that, and then all you have to do is take this 3 million and divide it by whatever variable you stored that in. Now, that is very easy to do, and quite frankly, it's my favorite way to do these. But otherwise, you're going to have to divide both sides by this right here. Okay? So what this is going to look like in your calculator is 3 million divided by, and I'm going to go ahead and write this down. I'm going to pause this and I'll go ahead and finish writing it down. Okay, I got for my answer for D to be $3,419.74. So if you are one of the fraction bar impaired, okay, what you're going to have to do when you type this in your calculator is you are going to have to make sure that you have a parentheses. I'm going to put this in a different color. You're basically putting a parentheses around that entire denominator. So when you punch stuff in, you're going to need a parentheses here. Yeah, you're going to need another one here for that denominator, and then one to close that parentheses. Okay? So again, here's your, I'll go ahead and put this one down here in a different color. Let's put this one in a different color. What the heck? Let's put this one in a different color here too. So you get the idea of what you're going to have to do here. Enjoy. I think as you're going to see, a lot of fun to type these into our calculators.